Hello my book nuts, I'm back again with another video, and in this video I will talk about a book which has the ability to solve your unimaginable thoughts of your mind. The name of the book is Can I Create What Stars Can't Foretell? So without any delay, let's get started. Short time ago I came across a book named Can I Create What Stars Can't Foretell, and this book was written by author Dinesh Sahai. So I will review this book on the basis of its cover, content, writing style of the author, and it's a self-help book, so it doesn't contain any story part. So the 4 point will be on the basis of its gain, which means after reading this, so what you will learn and gain from this book. So let's start with the cover part. I love the cover of this book. As you can see, the lamp goes very well with the rising sun in the background, which makes an instant connection to the viewers. Trust me guys, it requires ninja skill to design a book cover, because nowadays people buy book on the basis of its cover, and the cover of this book goes very well with the title as well as with the content part. So now let's talk about the content of this book. Content of the book is about his initial program, Enlighten the Lamp of Your Fortune. When you go through the book, you will find out that he has given the solution to the problem faced by people. Problem related to job, promotion, partner selection, marriage, financial status, and so on. So he has given the practical approach in the form of lesson. When you read this book, you will find that he has given the steps then how you can fulfill your dreams. The main motive of this book is to provide the positive sense that why some people fail and why some people succeed. So before starting that what you will gain from this book, let's talk about the writing skills of the author. The book combines an accessible and straightforward writing style with a strong foundation of knowledge. Using of plain English by the author is a very good move. Because of that, he is able to provide clear, concise and quick read to its reader. So no doubt on the writing part. The text and the message is so simple that I can recommend this book to a 10 to 12-year-old child. So now let's talk about what you gain after reading this book. By practicing techniques given in this book, you can overcome your defeat and win confidence, success and joy. He has shared his famous formula of faith and optimism, which millions of people have taken it as their own simple and effective philosophy of living. Now let's see what are the steps he had discussed in this book so we can implement in our life. Step 1. Take a A4 size paper and write your wish in a precise manner with the date by which you want to see your wish to manifest, and put it in a dream box. Step 2. Read your wish exactly in each time zone. 6 am in the morning, 12 noon, 6 pm in the evening, 12 am in the midnight, or when you go to sleep on bed. This is because during these times, thoughts are transferred from conscious mind to subconscious mind. After repeating your dream in words, we have to move towards our third step, which is the most important step of this program. Third step is to train your subconscious mind with positive thoughts. Mind has unlimited potential and knowledge which creates everything of your choice. But we limit our mind with the present resources at our disposal. Sky has unlimited space. Similarly, mind has unlimited abundance and the resources within us are unlimited. While performing these steps, you have to remember two things. Avoid speaking negative words and sentences. And second thing, you have to remember that everything is achievable if you think and believe in it. I urge you to read this book and apply the techniques outlined here. As you do so, you can unlock the road to happiness and a peaceful mind. I have given the link of this book in the description box so you can purchase it and read it. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, keep enhancing.